Guys, if you're always on the move, multitasking, working round the clock and thinking of ordering a pair of headphones, well, stop and skip the fast and just order a pair of wireless earphones. Why I say that with that level of conviction is because I actually got to lay my hands on a wireless pair, this one actually from OnePlus. It's called the OnePlus Buds, and here's all you need to know about it. First, it's not an everyday design, it's not a usual color. Of course, you get a black and white version in this as well, but this pop of blue, actually the steel color is what actually got me in. It's matte. In fact, if I show you the insides are actually of a really nice and bright green color. So this color combination is very unusual. Going from the color combination, it seems like the brand is actually trying to target the youth, the office goers, up till the age of 35. So looking at this case, actually it looks very premium. It's matte finished, and of course there is very minimal logo presence here, and in fact the bottom of the case has a USB port which is needed to actually charge this case. So this case actually works as a charger as well and works as a storage device for these OnePlus Buds as well. Now, talking about these buds, actually the earphones, actually the wireless earphones, they have a stem design. As you can see, this is functional, so you can talk, you can listen to music and even record anywhere, even while you're mobile. So just connect this pair with your Bluetooth enabled device. And of course, as part of the design, you also get an IPX4 rating, which actually makes your pair safe from rain, from any splashes and from sweat as well. The fit is snug and it doesn't really slip out, and this has been one of my major concerns, and this concern has actually been addressed by OnePlus. So it's not going to come out even if you go for a jog or you go for a run. So don't worry, just plug them in, just put them in your ear and just forget about it. The best part of the design is, of course, the intuitive tapping. Now, this intuitive tapping actually sounds complicated, but it's pretty simple. You tap twice on your buds to switch to the next track or the previous track, and then you press for 3 full seconds to actually switch to another synced device. So I think it's functional, it's smart, it's functional, and I love the design. Sound. Well, let's talk about the next most important feature. Well, sound, as far as sound is concerned, it comes with a crazy amount of deep bass, which also comes with an environmental noise cancellation feature. But of course, ambient sound is just enough, for you to feel part of the world around you, but still making sure that you're able to listen to the music or you listen to the other person on phone as well. So I was actually stunned to record videos using these, and these gave me crystal clear audio with no lags, absolutely. Well, it's got 30 hours of battery life with a full charge, and of course with a full charge these can last you for up to 7 hours. The buds also come in this wireless case. Like I said, this doubles up as a charger as well, besides being a storage device for the OnePlus Buds. And of course you just need to plug in your USB here and just charge away and use them for 7 straight hours. So reliable, functional, and of course a great design. Let me know what you thought of these OnePlus Buds, just in case you decide to buy these. This is Sumita Karir signing off, and I'll see you again with yet another video review.